It's a hot one today. Guys, gals, I got this 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS replica car. LS5 replica, should I say. It's got the 454 LS5 date code correct motor that is a 512 stamping on the block. Stock manifolds, as you can see, pretty much a stock appearance here. Power steering, power disc brakes, tubular control arms in the front. Just a beautiful paint job. This is a factory code 19 tuxedo black car that has just been repainted by a professional body shop here. Listen and see how this hood closes. Well, listen to this. I mean, excellent. Look at those gaps, okay? Not too many Chevelles come with excellent gaps. This one does. It's been redone by a professional body man. White SS stripes down painted, down the hood and the trunk lid, as you'll see here. Chrome is new, grille is new, wheel and tire package is new on the car. Side mirror, weather stripping, glass, rear chrome bumper, SS pad, dual exhaust, F41 suspension with the 12 bolts, Posi 331 gear ratio in the back. Mirror finish on this car, guys. Look at this. It goes for miles. Just a beautiful paint job on the car. Underneath, you can eat off of it. Runs and drives excellent. As nice as it looks, that's as nice as it drives. Check out this brand new bucket seat, center console, interior SS with the tri-spoke steering wheel, SS gauge package, 4-speed Hurst, beautiful door panels, carpet headliner, back seat with seat belts and package tray. Look at tuned perfectly. Watch this. Isn't that sweet? Listen to that American muscle. That's what I'm talking about, guys. If you've been looking for a beautiful straight body, give us a call or text 847-848-1850 here at MGM Classic Cars. Financing is available with 10% down. Give us a call or text me anytime. My name's Thomas. Thank you for watching.